Hello friends. Today the topic is the discussion on the theory and practical examination pattern for FIBC in the academic year 2020-23. 22-23. Okay. In this year, Mumbai University changed the syllabus, and for the discussion of the theory and practical examination pattern and the syllabus, today I am here, Mr. Sanjay Gaikwad. I have qualified the SETNET examination with GATE. I am working as assistant professor here, Department of Physics, Mahatma Phule, Arts, Science and Commerce College, Panvel, District Raigad. This presentation shows that for the semester-wise syllabus, physics has two papers of theory, that is the classical physics and modern physics in semester 1, and in addition to that, there is a practical paper is there, one. Okay, there is a course code is there, and for semester 2nd, there is the two papers, that is the optics 1 and electricity and electronics, that is paper number 2nd. And along with this, there is a paper of practical 2nd. All these papers are having equal marks, that is 100 marks. Okay, but remember that in this year, Department Mumbai University uh, and BOS of the syllabus framing committee changes in the theory paper. In each semester, for the each paper, we have 20% internal examination or internal assessment is there. Internal assessment, remember that there is no exam, there is assessment is there, and 80% marks means 80 marks theory exam will be conducted as an external examination. Okay, in each semester, each paper, theory paper, there is 20% internal assessment and 80% external assessment, that is the theory exam. So how that will be evaluated, we will discuss in next. See, this is the pattern of the 80-20 pattern, that is 80 external and 20 internal. What is the included in the internal examination or evaluation? In the internal evaluation or assessment, we are considering that there is no exam. There should be a project, there should be a poster presentation, or you should be completed certificate course on the basis of subject, or you can also complete the some interdisciplinary courses also, or we are motivate you to take the subject which are current subject related to the other subject, like in Marathi, Hindi, economics. You can go through the botany, zoology, or other subject which are current issues. You can take as a project for the poster presentation or certificate course. You should be completed accordingly. What is the pattern for 80 marks? For the 80 marks, we are considering the question 4. Out of that, question 1, 2, 3 contains question 1, 2, 3 contains pattern of 20 marks as 2 questions of 10 marks, solve any one, and 4 questions of 5 marks, solve any 2. And in question number 4, you have to solve any 5 questions out of 9 questions having 4 marks each. Having 4 marks each. These questions are the short questions, short notes. It may be based on the problem also, numericals also there. The pattern of the 80 marks. Remember that the time schedule is reduced to 2.5 hours, means 2 hours and 30 minutes. And in question number 1, the questions will be asked from the unit number 1. Okay, how that will be? Attempt any one of the following. There will be 2 questions will be the long questions. Out of that, you want to attempt the 1 question. And in question 1b, there are the 4 questions and you want to attempt only 2, means 5 marks of each. And remember that this question 1ab is same pattern will be conducted for unit number 2 and unit number 3 respectively, question number 2 and question number 3. For question number 4, for 20 marks, we have given the 9 questions from unit 1, 2, 3, 3 from each unit, and we have 4 marks questions. Okay, 4 marks questions, and you want to be attempt any 5. You want to attempt any 5. Okay, remember that. Means in question number 1, there are 2 questions, sub questions A and B. One question of 10 marks, and B question have divided into again short questions like 5 marks each, and you want to attempt 2 from that one. Question number 2 and question number 3 from the unit number 2 and 3, same by the sub questions A and B. Okay, and question number 4, it contains 9 questions. You want to solve 5 questions, 4 marks of each. Okay, and this summation show that what is that? This is a 10 marks. This 10 marks 20, and 4 question, 3 questions 60, and last question is the summative question, or you can say that the short term question or short answer questions, or sometimes it may be numerical, and these all are for 20 marks. And therefore this is the 80 marks question paper, and therefore time also reduced, that is 2.5 hours. 2.5 hours. Internal pattern. What we want to do in the internal assessment? As per the suggestion, we want to conduct the literature survey or review, just like on we are conducting like for the survey of pollution. Sometimes we are conducting the some noise pollution, like that we want to conduct this survey, or some literature review, like for the if you are considering any uh, suppose that you are interested or influenced by the C.V. Raman effect, which got the Nobel Prize for him. According to that, if you want to perform that experiment, or you want to study on that, or what is the application of Raman effect, like that you can collect the survey, or you can study the literature survey, or go through the books and collect the information as a review. Okay, also you can take the many subjects are there, just like nanotechnology, application of nanotechnology, optical fiber, fiber optics, laser. There are the various applications. You go through that one, and if you are collecting the information regarding the construction working, application of the laser, optical fiber, or the how they are used, how they technically or scientifically work, you can collect that information. If you are performing the Avishkar project, you can also take that one, or any small project you can consider for this 20 marks evaluation. Remember that both paper have separate internal assessment, so you have to perform 2 projects, or 2 poster presentation, or 2 literature survey for each paper. Okay, so according to that you can take that one. Second thing, any course which have the 50 hours syllabus, and if you have completed that and you get the certificate, then you can show that for the internal evaluation. Okay, it may be interdisciplinary course or interdisciplinary activity also, just like that you want to complete that one, and if you get the certificate, we are considering for the internal evaluation. Remember that for each paper it is 20 marks. Okay, one activity for one semester for one paper. Okay, means if you are doing the 2 activity, then 2 papers it will be considered. And there is a separate passing for the internals. It has the 8 marks required from out of 20 marks, and for theory exam, out of 80 it required 32 marks. Means total out of 100 marks we require 40 marks for the each paper. Okay, remember that. And if you have performed the Avishkar project or any project which is very long one, you can consider for the both semester. Okay, you can show that one for one paper. Okay, remember that. Now we are discussing here about the practical examination. See, generally in the physics paper, there is only one theory, only one practical paper is there, and we want to perform 2 experiments from the group A and group B. Means from group A 1 experiment, and group B to another experiment. Means you want to perform 2 experiments in the examination for morning session and afternoon session. Okay, so remember that for the journal certification, you want to take the minimum 4 experiments from the group A, and from B 4 experiment, and a total 8 minimum experiment you should be reported in the journal and certified in time. So what are the experiment in the group A? See, like this one, and in group B this one. Okay, there are the list of 12 experiments. Out of that, in your department or college, it should be conducted the 8 experiments. 4 minimum experiment from the A group and B group, and total 8 experiment minimum. You can take the more experiment also according to time permit or according to your need. Addition to the group A and group B, there are the skill experiments are also there, which useful for the student for revise the syllabus, revise the instruments, or handling the instruments. Okay, skill experiments are very important as per the students' point of view. So remember that minimum 8 experiments from the group A and group B, means 4 from each group, and 4 skill experiments should be conducted from this 6 experiment. And as much as possible you should conduct the experiment so that student get the skill, good skill, and after that only certify the journal. And for certification of journal necessity 8 experiments should be reported in the journal. The exam pattern, generally in physics paper 1 and physics paper 2 there are the 3 units. Internal examination there for theory exam, that is a 20 marks. For external examination, theory exam will be 80 marks. Total 100 marks theory papers. And for the practical, generally in journal we want to report the 8 experiments, 8 practicals, and 4 skills or demo experiments. Similarly, for 100 marks of practical examination, we want to conduct one experiment from group A and one experiment from the group B in the examination. Okay, and after journal and viva, we will evaluate it for the 100 marks in the practical paper. So, in each semester 1 and semester 2, paper 1, paper 2 theory papers are there, and 100 marks papers are there. 20 for internal, 80 for external, and for practical papers in each semester there is a 100 marks paper. Therefore, out of 300 marks you will be evaluated for semester 1, out of 300 marks for the semester 2nd. Total 600 marks exam will be conducted for the physics paper. So it is very important. So according to that you should prepare for the examination, and the syllabus is already given by the university on their website, so you can go through that. At last, I'm very thankful to the principal, Dr. Ganesh Thakur sir, under whose motivation we try to develop the ICT teaching tools, and my colleagues Dr. G.S. Gunda and R.D. Morbekar sir, who helped me a lot to prepare the presentation on this topic. I am here, thanks to all. Thank you. Thank you.